Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to copy from Instagram comment. If you want to copy anything like a link from Instagram comment, so just open your Instagram app and then select the post which comment you want to copy. As I'm going to select my own post comment, so just open it and here you can see here's a link in comment, but you can see I can't copy it. So let's see how can I do it. Just scroll down your status bar and here just select screenshot. And now you just have to take a screenshot of this section and just save it. And now open your Google Lens and here open gallery. Just open your screenshot and here just scroll it to the link. Just like this. And just select it and then tap on copy. And now you can see I have successfully copied the link from an Instagram comment. So that's how you can copy anything from Instagram comments. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.